Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Everyone talks about SCHD when it comes to dividend investing. It's reliable, popular, and one of the most beloved dividend ETFs out there. But what if I told you SCHD isn't the only game in town? In fact, there are 3 ETFs, DIVO, DIA, and QDVO, that not only pay monthly dividends but also offer the potential for better long-term gains. In this video, we're diving deep into how these 3 ETFs compare, why they may fit your portfolio better than SCHD, and what kind of income you could realistically expect from them. To appreciate why these 3 alternatives stand out, let's quickly touch on SCHD. The Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF is famous for its strong dividend growth, a low expense ratio of 0.06%, and consistent payouts. It tracks high-quality US companies with a history of paying dividends. But there's one drawback: SCHD only pays quarterly dividends, not monthly. For income-focused investors, especially retirees, monthly income can be much more attractive. That's where our 3 ETFs, DIVO, DIA, and QDVO, step in. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up, DIVO. This ETF is designed for both income and growth. It focuses on large-cap US stocks, similar to SCHD, but it adds a unique twist: it sells covered calls on a portion of its portfolio. DIVO offers a robust monthly dividend yield of about 5%. In addition, with a low expense ratio of just 0.55%, DIVO stands as an attractive investment option, balancing income with economic efficiency. This combination allows investors to benefit from consistent returns while minimizing costs, making it a commendable choice for those seeking dividend growth. Strategy: blue chip stocks plus covered call writing. Why does this matter? Covered calls generate additional income, boosting dividend payouts beyond what the underlying stocks yield. That's why investors see more monthly cash flow compared to SCHD. On the growth side, DIVO has actually held up well during market downturns, thanks to the cushion that option premiums provide. It's not just about dividends, it's about total return stability. Next, let's talk about DIA, often called the diamonds. DIA tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which includes 30 of the largest, most established companies in the US. The ticker symbol for this investment is DIA. The dividend yield is approximately 2.3%. With an expense ratio of just 0.16%, this investment offers an attractive combination of regular income and low costs. DIA not only provides a steady monthly dividend but also ensures that your expenses remain minimal, making it a compelling choice for investors seeking growth and income. Holdings: Apple, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson, Goldman Sachs, and more. Unlike SCHD, which screens for high dividend growth, DIA is more of a broad market, blue chip ETF. Its strength lies in its stability and history. Because these are household names with decades of performance behind them, DIA tends to deliver consistent long-term gains, even if the yield is lower. But here's the kicker: it pays monthly, not quarterly. For those who value regularity in cash flow, DIA is an excellent blend of growth and dependable income. Finally, we have QDVO, one of the newer entrants that's gaining popularity fast. QDVO is designed to combine dividend strength with quality screening. Ticker QDVO offers a monthly dividend yield of approximately 4 to 5%. With a low expense ratio of about 0.35%, ticker QDVO presents an attractive option for investors seeking consistent passive income while maintaining cost efficiency in their investment strategy. Focus: high-quality S&P 500 companies with strong fundamentals. What sets QDVO apart is its focus on quality, companies with strong balance sheets, profitability, and a history of rewarding shareholders. It's almost like a blend between SCHD's dividend growth style and DIVO's monthly income focus. For long-term investors, QDVO aims to provide both capital appreciation and steady monthly cash flow, making it a serious contender if you want a more modern take on dividend investing. Let's stack them up side by side. SCHD, quarterly dividends, low cost, high dividend growth. DIVO, monthly dividends, covered call income, higher yield. DIA, monthly dividends, blue chip Dow exposure, long-term stability. QDVO, monthly dividends, quality screened S&P 500 stocks, balanced approach. So, while SCHD is fantastic, if your goal is monthly income plus long-term growth, these three ETFs could give you a better balance. At the end of the day, no ETF is perfect. SCHD remains an excellent choice, but if you're looking for monthly cash flow and potentially better long-term gains, then DIVO, DIA, and QDVO deserve serious consideration. For retirees, the monthly income can help cover expenses. For younger investors, the reinvested monthly dividends compound faster. So ask yourself, do you want to stick with the traditional favorite, or are you ready to diversify into ETFs that give you income every single month? Thanks for watching. If you found value in this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more investing insights, and drop a comment below. Which of these ETFs, DIVO, DIA, or QDVO, fits your investing style best? I'll see you in the next video.